Alright people, so I'm working on the passenger fender or frame on the Rambler. I was getting ready to put the mount in, and so I cut out a square piece to put the lower bolts in. So this is going to go like that, and then these holes there are going to bolt onto here. And I saw these big fucking holes, and then I started digging and digging, and things just keep getting worse and worse. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut right here. So then I'd like to repair this piece as well, but I can't do it in one go, because if I cut past here, then these are the transmission mounts as well as the engine mounts, so I don't want to cut it back here because it'll just fall off. So I have to cut it here. Here we've got good support. I've got good support here. I'm going to cut it here, and then it makes a stupid curve over here, so but I'm going to do this in two parts. I'm going to cut here all the way up to here, cut that all off, weld a piece of 2x4 in, and then I'll finish cutting this section off, do this piece at an angle, or maybe I might just not do the angle, make it straight, we'll see. But we're gonna get rid of all this here. See in part 2 of the frame repair.